Hey everybody, it's Jared Snyder. I wanted to make a video for you guys, actually to introduce myself because I don't think I've ever did that. I wrote some questions down on this piece of paper, and I have some stuff to go over. This I just wrote it out. So if I'm looking down, it's just because I am remembering everything that I wrote down. So first question: Who am I? I am a husband of 10 years. Married to an awesome lady. Her name is Crystal, and we actually met at the Coast Guard Festival. Actually, weird story. We met at the Coast Guard Festival through a program called MySpace a long time ago. I don't know if you guys all remember MySpace or not, but that's what we met through. And then we chatted for a couple weeks, and then we met out because I lived in Grand Haven. Met out at the Coast Guard Festival, and I believe in love and first sight. Everything just clicked, and now we've been married for 10 years, and um, doing really well. Um, we have four children right now. We have two boys and two girls. Um, our two boys are the oldest, and the two girls are the youngest. Their names are Dathan, Asher, Azalea, and Magnolia. So, looking for some different names that aren't so common. Um, Next question: What do I do? That's a very good question. I have been a CNA, a nurse's assistant, for about 17 years. I did night schooling during high school to get certified to help uh, patients. And then I got hired right after high school to work at a medical care facility. And so then I did that. Um, and then I moved around a lot after that. I've worked in Kalamazoo, Allegan, Plainwell. I've also worked Grand Rapids area. Um, Currently working in Grantville right now, part time. Um, and now, yeah, like I said, I am part time caregiver, and now I am living the entrepreneur life, which I love. I love doing this. It's amazing. Um, but I signed on with Team Beachbody to be a health and fitness coach. And one of the reasons I signed on with them is I wasn't doing good with my cholesterol or my blood pressure, and just it was not good at all. So um, I thought I'd do try some of their programs, and I loved them because I seen results. With everything else I was trying, I wasn't seeing anything, but I was seeing results. I've been currently working out with them for 2 years now, so to keep up with it for 2 years is pretty darn good. They'll motivate you and keep you going. But anyways, I signed up to be a Beachbody coach because it has changed my life, and I am healthier than I ever been. I feel even healthier than when I was back in high school running cross country. I wish we had some of this stuff around back then, because I think I could have just dominated even more with running cross country. Um, but my body, and I'm healthier than I ever been, and I'm always looking for parents to help. Since I'm coaching, I help people. I run groups, and I give information, and I just try to help people out, getting healthy and talking to them and learning your health and fitness goals, and just seeing what we can do for you, and once you sign, well, even if you don't sign up with me, I just give you ideas and tips. But if you sign up with me, I'm pretty much your accountability. I'm gonna message you each week and find out how things are going. When you're down, I'm gonna encourage you. I'm gonna just keep on, checking in with you to make sure that things are going good. Yes, I know health and fitness has its ups and downs, but you want to know what? With that accountability, or even accountability group that I have, um, if we all struggle with a lot of the same things. So if one person's learning a way to get out of it, it might help you get out of your rut and start doing it again. So I'm always here, and I'm always looking for people to help out. Comment below this video if you want somewhere to turn. I'd love to talk to you about your health and fitness. Um, so my next question, why is my channel here? My channel is here to help parents live healthier lives. Even parents that have 4 children like I do. I mean, excuses, excuses, excuses don't get you anywhere. But you know, I'm here to find time. Help you find time in your day that maybe you could stop watching TV for 30 minutes, do a workout, and be on with your life. Or maybe you could get up like 15 minutes earlier and do a workout and feel better about yourself. I'm here to help you find that time and go through your day and figure out what works for you. So um, I have 4 children, and I'm not using them as an excuse not to be healthy, because you can do it with 4 children. Um, because me and my wife both do. So, um, but anyways, I want to help parents that have 4 children or children in general like me. Also, my channel, I do a segment, Real Life with Jared Snyder, basically showing you real life with me basically being a stay-home dad and being with my kids all the time, and how life is really, and how crazy it is, and just life in general. So um, yeah. So every day with the dad with 4 kids. I also um, how many videos I do a week? I usually post at least 3, but sometimes it's more. Some days I can go for a while, but then might be a few days before I post. But I'm gonna keep on posting. I'm I'm gonna keep on moving on, and so um, I want to say thank you um to all the people that are viewing my videos and that are following me on my YouTube channel. I thank you very much. I appreciate it. Um, Also, if you have any questions, please comment them below in the comment section. If you use your phone, some people don't know this, but you have to scroll through all the feeds, and then like right at the bottom is where you can leave a comment. And also up at the top, if you're watching it, like the little square, and then you have like the feeds of the other videos that are going on. There's an arrow at the top that you can drop down, and it gives you like the description of the video, and if they have any links, if anybody has any links, you can watch them in there. Just a FYI, if you don't know that. So I just wanted to put that out there. Um, Also, if you have any ideas of video that I could do that might help you, leave it in the comments. I'd love to look over them and see and make a video. It might help out. So, and the most important thing, one reason why I really think that you should subscribe to my channel is to get information on how to live a better, healthier life as a parent. Um, I have lots of positivity in my channel. I love meeting new people and chatting to get to know your life. I know everybody has a story, and we can learn a lot about each other. Story and grow. I mean, everybody has something in their life, and I feel that everybody has something to share. Everybody brings something to the table. I really believe that, and you can learn a lot about stuff with other people. You can learn, like, maybe somebody in your neighborhood, you know does parenting a little different, and you talk to them and you learn, hey, maybe I should incorporate that into my family. It might work better or something. I truly honestly believe that we can learn a lot from each other. So um, and I feel that God put us here on the earth to for each other, to teach each other things about life, and because we're all different. So, but anyways, I want to thank you, and please leave a comment below let me know you're watching. Even say hi. I don't care. I just um and any feedback would be awesome. Feedback is how you learn and grow. Um, and also, if you would, please subscribe to my channel. I'm hoping to bring a lot more videos this week. So, anyways, I'm gonna leave my link tree, which is my health and fitness information in there, for all you parents. And you can find my Facebook page where I do a lot of posting, and basically you can contact me and message me through there. But anyways, I will let you go, and you guys all have an awesome day, and please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, have a blessed day.